Exciting announcement! Boinkers new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the Boinkers Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below now. Let's jump into the video. Boinkers Project Overview, Airdrop, Listing, Price Outlook and Preparation Guide. Boinkers is rapidly gaining traction in the crypto world due to its innovative blend of gaming elements and blockchain integration. Built as a Telegram mini app, the platform revolves around the Boink token and is attracting both players and investors. Boink token price prediction. Predicting the listing price of Boink is challenging due to the absence of detailed tokenomics and circulating supply. However, several factors will influence the token's value: strength of community interest and engagement, initial trading volume and exchange liquidity, broader market conditions at the time of listing, total supply and distribution strategy of the token. More accurate forecasts will be possible once tokenomics are released. How to prepare for the Boinkers listing. To be ready for the Boink token launch, register on the expected exchanges. Complete Know Your Customer (KYC) verification for access to full features. Use referral programs where possible for extra incentives. Stay updated through Boinkers official communication channels. Plan your trading strategy in advance, whether to sell early or hold for long-term gains. Boinkers Airdrop. What to expect. Although there is no confirmed date for the airdrop yet, it is likely to occur shortly before the token is listed on exchanges. This approach aligns with strategies used by similar projects. To prepare for the airdrop, engage actively in the game and complete available tasks. Follow Boinkers social channels to stay informed. Use the referral system to invite others and gain bonuses. Monitor all official announcements to avoid missing important updates. Expected Boinkers listing date. The Boink token is expected to be listed in the first quarter of 2025, although the official date is yet to be announced. The listing process will likely follow these steps: conclusion of the in-game mining phase, calculation and distribution of token rewards to users, finalization of exchange agreements, public announcement of the listing date, listing on major exchanges. Staying connected to Boinkers social media platforms and Telegram group is essential for receiving timely updates. Potential exchanges for Boinkers listing. Given recent listings of other Telegram mini apps, the Boink token may appear on the following platforms: Binance, well known for supporting early-stage GameFi and DeFi projects; OKX, active in listing new and trending projects; Bybit, user-friendly interface, popular in various regions including the CIS; HTX, formerly Huobi, recognized for working with emerging technologies; Gate.io, often lists exclusive tokens with strong growth potential; BingX, regularly adds new tokens and offers user engagement incentives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Boinkers airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **